not going out with your hair
Wet.
wet
Why?
because
It's cold.
it's a little cold. -20 with the cold.
It's okay. I'm in the car.
Yeah.
So.
Then I'll go warm up the car. I got a hair dryer for you. If you want to dry your hair, let's go get the hair dryer. It's a 1940 hair dryer that I found in my Antico. But I'm gonna make a joke. I'm gonna do a joke and bring her my Antico hair dryer. I'm coming with the air dryer, baby.
Are we going? Oh, what's that?
It's a hair dryer.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why is like that?
It's it's 1940. That's the age of it.
Oh my goodness. No.
It yeah, there's a switch here and it's working. Look at that.
We try.
Look at that. He's working too. It's old.
But
Look. And there's speed. It's a hair dryer.
let me see that.
It's
Oh my god, too heavy.
it's heavy.
But look at that, it cannot dry. You know, the smell, honey, is look at this smell. No, this one is
It does, it smells good. Too many
Yeah.
dust in it. It's been half
how many?
since 50 years maybe.
Don't use because maybe it's float.
Does that scare you?
Of course, because this one.
Because you don't like my hair dryer that I bought you?
This is not. This is for the old people one.
Might fit in the museum here.
Yeah.
It's
This is the old generation.
it goes with the old boots.
Yeah.
Oh,
But no, you can put here.
I might have put here
Yeah, there's space.
like this. Like this.
Yes.
I want it to all like that. There we go.
Okay.
This is good.
Uh-huh.
It's for the old generation.
This is the old generation. But you asked me to use, this is the new generation.
This is that's 42 years old air generation, baby.
You see? Look at that. You put your mom?
Yeah.
Yeah, just put. Just another.
So we got the old generation
And the old.
blower and the car lighter used to light up smoke that doesn't use anymore. So that's it.
Yeah. This is the museum.
This is a museum. Oh, I got something else that people might gonna recognize. If they've been born in the United States or Canada, they're gonna recognize that. This is a surprise that you have into the Cracker Jack box. Yeah.
Yeah.
And this is candy pill. Oh my god. We got candy pill. And there is a 42 years old here that belongs to,
You bloody?
yeah. It
Ito
belongs.
yung ligare.
Yeah, well, the small one, it's used for chirurgical. If you gotta amputate the arm.
This father always use him when he's working before.
This one is for the metal,
Yeah.
and that one is for the wood.
Then this one,
It's for the
when we
floor.
are on, we always using this one.
Bang!
But now I'm not good anymore.
You're not good anymore?
Now when I was young, but now when I work abroad, of course I'm not using to do it now. But I never forget.
You never forget. All right, let's go shopping. We'll leave the museum open. I don't know why. Maybe there's a ghost in there and I'll let it go out once in a while.
We need to open the museum so that there's some.
Maybe the museum is open now. So the ghost inside the museum can come out. Correct?
You know the ghost is only visible.
The ghost is Kalbu.
It's you.
It's me.